Top 5 tips experts recommend for losing 10 pounds fast. 1. Eat fewer calories than what you have consumed. Getting your body into a calorie deficit is essential for weight loss. 2. Focus on consuming healthy, whole, unprocessed, nutrient-dense foods. And cut back on refined, nutrient-free foods and drinks like sweets and alcohol. 3. Drink more water. Your body can retain water weight, and drinking water can help your body shed those extra pounds. 4. Exercise to build muscle mass that boosts metabolism by lifting weights or through high-intensity interval training. 5. Get enough sleep, 6 to 8 hours, for your body to recover and give you the energy you need to reach your 10-pound weight loss goal. These tips are the highlights of what's to come. You'll see that we've broken down how to lose 10 pounds into 4 categories: eating habits, weight loss foods and drinks, exercise, and general lifestyle changes. For more tips on how to lose weight fast, visit our website. Click the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.